Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. Hi my friends, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. Today I'm going to teach you the pattern of an Irish crochet lace applique. So let's go. Wrap the yarn around your index and middle fingers 5 times. Insert your hook and pull up loop, chain 1 and make 16 single crochets in this circle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Stretch your yarn over, go under, go left and pull up loop, yarn over, go under, go left and pull up loop twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1. Make a double crochet next stitch, chain 1, make a double crochet in next stitch, and repeat. Stretch your yarn over, go under, go left and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1 and make a double crochet in next stitch, make a double crochet in next stitch, stretch your yarn over and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last time. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, make a double crochet in next stitch, chain 1 and make a double crochet in next stitch and keep going. I crocheted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times and make a double crochet in last stitch, chain 1 and make a slip stitch in this stitch. Make a slip stitch in next space, chain 1, stretch your yarn over, insert your hook into the same space and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook into this space and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 times. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, 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 yarn over, pull through last 2 loops, chain 1. Make a slip stitch in first stitch, chain 1. Make a slip stitch in next stitch and chain 1. Make a slip stitch in next stitch, then chain 1. Make a slip stitch, chain 1. Make a slip stitch in next stitch, chain 1. Make a slip stitch, chain 1. Make a slip stitch, chain 1. Again, once more, make a slip stitch and chain 1. Make a slip stitch in next stitch. Repeat again, chain 1, stretch your yarn, yarn over, insert your hook into same space and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loops, yarn over and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loops twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yarn over, pull through 2, 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 chain 1, and make a slip stitch in first space, chain 1, make a slip stitch in next space, chain 1, make a slip stitch in next space, chain 1, and repeat. Keep going. Make a slip stitch, chain 1. And the last time, make a slip stitch, chain 1. Make a slip stitch in next space, chain 1, and repeat again. You can crochet 8 petals or less, like this. Keep going. I crocheted 8 petals. At the end, make a slip stitch in first space, chain 1, cut the yarn off. Then hide your yarn. Thank you so much for watching my video and for your time. I appreciate for your consideration. Your feedback can help me a lot. If you like this video, please support me by commenting and subscribing. Bye!